Hello everybody, here I am, and today, hopefully my voice sounds a lot better, because I am using said microphone that I unboxed in this video, highlighting with my mouse pointer. Yeah, so here I am doing an audio test as well as like a first impressions, as well as like a little mini review. This isn't going to be very organized. I'm just going to be going based on what I see and what I hear. Now, I've done a little bit of tests before with this, and I figured out that it's very directional, and even though my mouse is extremely loud, you're probably not hearing it all that much right now. And it's only about 1.5 feet away from my microphone, and my finger's getting tired from clicking, so I'm not going to do that anymore. And yeah, so the reason I have Audacity open, not to hide my desktop, is to show you what the tone range of this microphone is. So I'm going to do that 500 to 45 hertz frequency sweep. I only have one hand here because I do not have a mic stand, and hopefully I'm actually making one, so, and it seems like it's turning out pretty good so far, so I'll have to see how that turns out. But let's see how this works. The way I'm going to be doing this is I'm just going to be having it go from 500 to 45 hertz, and the way I'll get it into the microphone itself is by putting my headphones against it. And that sounds like a bad idea, but these headphones are really nice, and they actually have a really nice tonal representation because they don't make, like, say 70 hertz really loud and all the other ones below it quiet like a previous pair of headphones I had. They have a really nice representation of sound, so putting them against the microphone, you're probably going to hear a few clicks and scratches and stuff of that nature because I'm going to have to set down the microphone, put my headphones off, and then put the headphones on the microphone. So let's see how that turns out. Alright, so that was the tone sweep. I'm gonna try to put my headphones on with one hand. Pretty difficult to do because they're pretty big. And okay, so this actually is mainly for you to listen to this because I already know what this microphone can do. I just want you to know. So there's the bass capabilities of this thing, and now I guess I'll get, oh yeah, and also I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but it's directional, so it's only picking up my voice in front of it and not my mouse behind it or my computer's extremely loud fans beside it. So yeah. And now I'm just going to tell you about how, like, the physical properties of it. And it is, if you can hear this, probably won't sound like much, but it's all metal construction. I can't find a single piece of plastic on this thing. And let's see here. And the, oh yeah, it also has some advanced voice coil technology, doodabob, which I guess helps, or it could just be advertising. Take it how you like it. And really the only downsides I can think of this is that it doesn't come with a stand, which I could see because this is meant for like it's a handheld mic for onstage stuff, which also segues to my next thing about the 10-foot cord, which is a plus if you're on stage, but if you're on a PC or for whatever reason to be recording on a Mac, it tends to get in the way, as well as the absolutely massive stereo input that it uses. It's one of those big ones that you would use for like electric guitar, and I have to use an adapter to step it down to the standard 3.5mm thing. But that's about it. I guess I could say the cost. On Amazon, in the link I will be providing in the description, this is, I believe, $12.88. I want to say that, but for $13, this is a wonderful microphone. I'll list you the name off again. It is the Pyle, or Pyle, model number PDMIC58. If any of you are interested in recording videos, I would highly recommend this as a first microphone because it's just so inexpensive, and there's nothing worse than a video with terrible audio quality. Trust me, I've heard my fair share, and it makes me want to go to a different video, and that's not good for YouTube. So yeah, that's about it. My name is Laserlord. This was my hands-on review of the PDMIC58 by Pyle, and I will see you later.